Hi everyone, a warm welcome to all. On 10th of November, Jupiter turns retrograde at less than 1 degree in Cancer. Punarvasu Nakshatra till 11th of March 2026, making it a beginning of a powerful inner changes. When Jupiter, the planet of wisdom and divine guidance, turns retrograde in Cancer, its exaltation sign, the outer expansion pauses and the inner world becomes our focus. That day when Jupiter turns retrograde, we have Moon in Pushya Nakshatra, Saturn's Nakshatra, with Jupiter in Cancer and Jupiter having aspect on Saturn, who is about to go direct on 28th of November, as if Saturn will take the lead and things forward from here. Jupiter's retrogression in Cancer encourages a return to what truly feels like home, emotionally, spiritually, and also karmically here. This period tends to bring realization about where our emotional foundations have weakened and how faith, generosity may have been misplaced over the time. This time demands for emotional cleansing and reevaluation of the principles that govern our life. Reconnect with family, our ancestral ties, or our past emotional patterns that now need some healing. Because Punarvasu is ruled by Aditi, the goddess of renewal and grace, Jupiter's retrogression here carries a message of restoration, repetition, something once lost, whether hope, our direction, peace of mind, or person, can now be reclaimed here. It's a time to turn inward to rediscover our faith, gratitude in life, and emotional authenticity. During this phase, outer growth may appear to slow down, especially in the areas ruled by Jupiter, that is, education, travel, prosperity, or growth in general. But beneath the surface, our soul is being gently guided to rediscover its faith and compassion. Decisions made impulsively earlier this year, that is, might be around August when Jupiter was 20 degree in Gemini, that might now be revisited with greater wisdom. By the time Jupiter resumes its direct motion, clarity replaces any confusion and faith is restored. But it will be like a matured faith built on a deeper understanding rather than any external optimism. See, Jupiter will transit back to Gemini till 20 degrees, where it was last in August 2025. Now, Gemini being the sign of ideas, thinking, communication, business, dealings, stock market, and duality related to all these things. It brings back our focus from emotions to mental clarity here in all these areas. What began as emotional reflection in Cancer now becomes our intellectual re-evaluation in Gemini. It's as if our heart's lessons are being retranslated into words, understanding with some new realization. From December 2025 to early March 2026, Jupiter's retrogression in Gemini activates a deep cleansing of our belief system. And all those truths that we accepted without any question may now be challenged. This phase highlights how communication, any information, media, and our shared ideas have shaped our collective beliefs, and how some out of them may no longer serve any purpose or truth in it. On a personal level, we may revisit our old decisions, unfinished conversations, or any educational or spiritual goals that need some completion or even rethinking. By the time Jupiter stations direct on 11th of March 2026 at 20 degrees Gemini, those lessons reach their completion. The soul has journeyed from emotional understanding back to intellectual judgments now. A new balance between heart and mind begins to form here. That this direct motion restores our energy but with deeper wisdom. We are no longer expanding blindly here, we are expanding consciously. See, Punarvasu runs through both Gemini and Cancer. This ties the entire journey together with the theme of rebirth, repetition, or renewal. It is a cycle of leaving behind illusions and returning to purity. Jupiter in Punarvasu reinforces the universal truth that growth starts inward and not outward. Overall, November 2025 to March 2026 is a spiritual retreat disguised as delay, maybe loss. Outer progress may be slow, but inner expansion deepens here. Emotional clarity merges with mental clarity, and that leads to balanced wisdom by March 2026. All teachers, healers, and guides, even gurus, may fail to redefine their purpose or methods the way they teach. Globally, focus may shift toward education reformations, truth in media, and restoring faith in our principles and basic values of life. This is the time to stay patient with all the outer delays. Jupiter's retrograde blesses introspections and not any action, strong actions. Revisit your plans, your teachings, your learnings, and emotional commitments. Seek what feels true and not just merely what sounds convincing to us. When Jupiter turns direct in March 2026, life begins to flow outward again. But this time with deeper purpose, maturity, and renewed hope. Let us see how this retrograde Jupiter will impact us personally and look for changes in Jupiter and Mercury ruled sign, and that is Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, and Pisces, along with Cancer, where it gets retrograde. And interestingly, all the dual signs are triggered here. So, best time to work on the dualities of life, any confusion, and clear all of it, all the confusion in our understanding during this time. Start with Aries. For Aries, the most impacted area is your home, your emotions, and your roots. You may want to pause your major actions and reflect on your inner world. Your home life, family, or property related matters need some rebalancing here. Also, your focus shift towards your communication and your thought patterns. This is a chance to reconnect with your siblings, revisit your old learnings, your interest, or heal any misunderstanding through some matured, wise conversations. By March 2026, your mental clarity returns with renewed emotional stability. This is the best time to create peace at your home and declutter emotional or any physical home or in physical spaces to restore balance in your life. Taurus. For Taurus, the retrograde stirs your travel plans. your communication, your courage, and your mindset here. At first, it may boost your confidence and your ideas, but retrograde motion demands to slow down and rethink how you express yourself. Gradually, the focus shifts to finances and your self worth. Do reassess your financial strategies here, your business ideas, or the values that you place in your own talent here. By March 2026, you will realize which ideas have true potential and which are like distraction to you. This is the time to revise your plans rather than expanding them. Conversations with any mentor, your siblings, even friends may bring some breakthrough in your thinking. Gemini, you may feel this time on a deeply personal level. Best time to revising introspection and self change. You may feel emotionally stretched, questioning your direction or stability in life. This is the time that can also bring some healing through self reflection. It is a time to let go of all your external validations and rediscover your true voice. Speak your truth. By the time Jupiter turns direct in March 2026, you will emerge more centered, more confident. But slow down on your material projects. Reconnect with spiritual practices or learning that brings peace and self assurance. Cancer, you may feel this time of divine grace, but as Jupiter retrogrades, you are forced to turn inward. Emotional growth replaces material expansion. It can be a forced pause where healing, your faith, and forgiveness take priority here. Time for healing, being alone, and let go of your old patterns. Things may open up here through dreams, solitude, or spiritual retreats can be very meaningful here. By March 2026, a new cycle of purpose and peace begins. But for now, spend some quiet time near water, in nature, and release your all fears or any doubts of life. Leo. For Leo, this time initially brings healing from the past, but it may also revive some old memories or some unresolved issues or even deep emotions. During this time, your friendships, groups, or your community ties can become your focal point. You might reevaluate your desires, your network, your newly built connections, and detach from any superficial circles. By March 2026, you will know who truly aligns with your spirit, your soul. Best time to let go of any social pressure here. Engage in soulful friendships and support humanitarian causes that resonate with your heart and soul. Virgo, best time to reevaluate your desires, goals, aspirations from life, your social network, your public image, and your career. Initially, this time can bring visibility and a lot of appreciation, but slowly you may question your path or feel delayed recognition and you start rethinking on your career. Old opportunities could resurface, or projects may demand some refinement here. March 2026 brings new clarity, and rewards follow once you have redefined your goals. But do avoid any career overexertion. Update your skills, reconnect with your mentors, and focus on your long term strategy rather than any short term success. Libra. For Libra, this time impacts your career and your personal thinking, beliefs the most here. You may feel a need to realign your purpose or your career path with your higher truth. You will realize if your work nourishes your soul. Your focus expands to education, belief systems, and travel more now. Re examining your worldviews could lead to a positive breakthrough here. By March 2026, renewed faith and direction can emerge for you. This is a good time to invest in learning something that awakens your curiosity here. Avoid rigid plans. Instead, flow with some new knowledge and you'll be good. Scorpio. For Scorpio, expect the transformation you were trying to avoid so far. Initially, in your belief systems, in your higher learnings, your faith, and then real transformation begins with some deep emotional healing and release of your stubborn attachments. Gradually, your introspection deepens, guiding you to let go of your control over situation and embrace trust in life. By March 2026, you will be reborn with some clearer ideas and emotional strength. This is good time to engage in some therapy or some research work that reveals hidden truth and reduces your fear of unknown. And above all, stay flexible as surrendering only can bring the real power in life which you are always looking for. Sagittarius, this time triggers a need for change within your close relations. Focusing on emotional intimacy and even business partnerships. You may revisit old patterns in your relationships or your financial dependencies. A new understanding might develop about the way you manage rest of the world, that communication, compromises and mutual understanding are the key to success of any relationship, any bond. By March 2026, your relations, your emotions, and business partnerships begin moving forward with some renewed maturity. Best time to revisit old agreements but avoid making major commitments until March 2026 and practice emotional honesty and active listening in your relationships or any bond. Capricorn. For Capricorn, this time activates your close relationships, your health and daily life, work life balance. Initially, expect growth in your relationships, but then it demands you to slow down and focus on your and others' emotional needs. Later, expect change in your lifestyle along with your work, and wellness becomes very active. Your daily routine, health, habits, and discipline need some fine tuning here. There can be a restored energy and balanced living by March 2026. So, focus on mindful self care and simplify all your routines. Do keep in mind that healing comes from consistency and not any pressure. Aquarius. For Aquarius, this time highlights creativity and discipline in your life. It reminds you to nurture your creative energy rather than overextending it. This time also reawakens your passion, your expression, and having joy in life. Any creative projects or romantic connections from the past may resurface for review. And finally, March 2026 brings renewed inspirations and lessons of blending logic with love and feelings. This is a very good time to revisit your forgotten hobbies. It is not just about performance or rewards here. Enjoy the process rather than chasing perfection in everything. Pisces. For Pisces, this time begins with emotional expansion, a time of love, joy, and creativity. Gradually, your focus turns inward, reconnecting you with inner healing and your forgotten dreams. Then, your home and your emotional security take the center stage. You may revise your living arrangements or reconnect with your family bonds. By March 2026, you will rediscover the balance between nurturing others and also your own self. Gradually, you would like to express your emotions through art or even writing, and best time to reconnect with your childhood joys and family blessings. Inner safety always brings outer peace. That was all about the personal impact for all the signs. And to summarize, Jupiter's retrograde through Cancer and back into Gemini is the universe's way to rebalance our emotions and our intellect. It is not about any loss or delay here. What we get out of this retrogression is Cancer's emotional depth and Gemini's mental activity. By March 2026, the world begins to move forward with restored faith, some softened heart, and wiser minds. A true return to light with the most necessary filters. We emerge gentler, wiser, and more attuned to the truth that expansion begins from within. We may rediscover our own light, the kind that never fades, even in the darkest of nights. That was all about Jupiter retrograde in Punarvasu Nakshatra. I hope this was helpful. Best wishes to everyone with Jupiter retrograde. Thank you for your time. Do share your feedback and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.